I have a lunch date at 12 p.m. I have to go and get ready for that, and it's gonna be fun, I guess. Hey Prosh, this is me Shivangi. So today I'm gonna be showing you all my everyday makeup routine using my favorite Prosh beauty products. I have already prepped my skin. I like to use my makeup hair clip because it makes me feel like I'm very focused while doing my makeup. I'm starting with Prosh Beauty Moisturizing Primer and it's so good. I'm obsessed with it. So moisturizing that I like to put it all over my face except the nose. I like how my skin instantly glows after applying the primer. Then I go in with the Prosh Beauty Say No More Mattifying Gel Primer. I like to take a little bit of it, and I like how it instantly mattes your nose and like the pores. While doing your makeup, your base is really important. Then I go in with my concealer. I like to put my foundation at the same time. I don't like using BB creams and putting it all over my face. Oops, I always forget about my neck while doing my makeup. I'm so focused on the face. Then I'm using this cute little baby. It's so soft and the color, oh my god. I like to spray my makeup fixer on the beauty blender and kind of damp it in order to make the foundation last longer. I like how this beauty blender is big because it helps me to blend everything in less time. Whenever I'm getting late, this beauty blender is my savior. I like to apply the leftover foundation on my ears because obviously that's also a part of your face. And just like that, we are done. Then I bake my under eyes, and that's the only baking I'm good at. So I'm gonna be using my Prosh Beauty P23 makeup brush. So soft. It's not a straight brush. You can see how it has the geometry. I feel like it's so thoughtful when it comes to doing your makeup because little things like these can help you achieve that makeup look. I like to go extra and I bake my under eyes really well, and I also like to put a little bit here. I just bake this part of my face and I leave this part of my face for the blush and contouring thing. Next is blush, and I'm gonna be using their candy blushes, and oh my goodness, the packaging is so thoughtful. It's very handy, it's very travel friendly. I keep one of these always in my handbag, and whenever I'm out, I take out my mirror and my cute candy blush. Everybody's like, oh, what's that? And it's a flex, guys. I'm like, it's not a candy, it's a blush, baby. So I have these 4 shades and I'm gonna be going in with the peach one. I like this pink one a lot. Whenever I apply it on my cheeks look very healthy and very blushy, and it also looks so dewy and so natural. The shade name is Coral Crunchy. I like how the formula is really creamy. I also like to put it on my nose and a little bit on my chin, some dots on my forehead. Then I go in with the Prosh Beauty P03 brush. Perfect for blending your blush. I used to use my finger for blending my blush, but I was like, you know what, let's just apply it with the help of this brush. So I don't blend the blush completely. I leave it like this, and then I go in with this one. Apply my blush like this because I like the effect of a lifted face. The reason I apply the blush on my chin as well is because it kind of gives an illusion that you have that natural glowy and blushy skin. And then I go in with this P01. It's my favorite brush, guys. It's so fluffy and it does the job in the right way. So I take this and then just blend the wrist, and I bring it a little bit here for this sun-kissed look. And for the contour, I use the brush P02 from again Prosh Beauty, and I like how it's like this. So it makes me contour my face in a very effective way. I also like to apply a little bit here for a sharper jawline and a little bit here. I use this creamy blush again from Prosh Beauty in the shade Caramel Glaze in order to contour my nose, and it's one of my favorite parts. I just take a little bit of it, then I just... Yeah, this is how I fake a nose job, guys. Then I take this brush called P07, and this is how it looks. It's very fluffy again because obviously it's from Prosh Beauty. I'm obsessed with their products, guys. Then I just blend it. It's very important to blend your nose contour in the right direction, or else you won't get the result you want. After kind of blending it, I go in with the P18 Prosh Beauty makeup brush, and this is how it looks, guys. The reason I drew this line was because it gives a button nose effect. And then with P01, I just blend the excess. Time for the eyes. And for that, I'm gonna be using the Showstopper eyeshadow palette again from Prosh Beauty. It also has a mirror. So many beautiful shades. I can create so many eye looks. Taking this brush from Prosh Beauty, and it's called P50. And this is how it looks. Taking a little bit of eyebrow gel. I'm gonna be using 3 shades: Artistic, Vigorous and Poise. I like the name of the shades, it's so slay. I have my little vanity here. I like how the shades are so pigmented. Then I'm taking the brush called P24. This is how it looks, guys. And then I'm taking the shade Vigorous, which is kind of an autumn brown. Then I'm taking this brush called P14. And look at the shape of this brush. It's so thoughtful. Then I'm taking Poise. Obsessed with how this makeup look is turning out. Then for the eyeliner, I'm going in with the Prosh Beauty eyeliner. So black, and I love it because how thin the brush is. Every time I complete my eyeliner, I feel so proud of myself because I'm like, okay, makeup artist, professional makeup artist. But yeah, this eyeliner is so good, guys. The best eyeliner I've ever used because it makes applying eyeliner super easy. Then I'm going in with mascara. One thing that I like to do is that I like to take this eyeshadow palette. Then I take this shade called Snazzy, and that too with the brush P05, again from Prosh Beauty, and this is how it looks. So I applied on the tip of my nose. Then with P01, that was an eyeshadow glitter, but I use it as my highlighter. Next, I am going in with the lipstick. This is a red lipstick that I have, Kiss Me Red, and this is kind of a nude lipstick, Caramel Brunch. And then I have this beautiful brown shade, which I'm actually wearing every day, known as High Tea. These are the three shades, guys, and I'm confused between Kiss Me Red and Caramel Brunch, or maybe a liquid lipstick, guys. I have these three beautiful lipstick again from Prosh Beauty. Which one should I choose? Going with Kiss Me Red. I don't know what they put in their lipsticks, but the fragrance is amazing, guys. It's very important to be fully concentrated while applying your red lipstick because you don't want those smudgy lines. And then what I like to do is I take my diary, and it has a lot of lipstick stains. I just Kisses to you, Prosh Beauty. It takes off the excess material. My lips feel so creamy, and oh my god, guys, look at this red, the perfect red I've ever worn in my life. Then I'm just quickly gonna take my makeup fixer. Makeup is all done. Now I'm gonna go change and come back to you. Okay, I am confused, guys. I have three outfit options for the day. One is this beautiful yellow, purple dress, beautiful pink dress. I'm confused. Okay, guys, this is the final look, and I'm so ready for the day. I'm gonna go and have nice lunch. Oh, I forgot to wear perfume. I'm trying to wear perfume lately. All the products that I used from Prosh Beauty, I am obsessed, and in case if you are also virtually obsessed, you can get the links in the description and you can shop from there. And I will see you guys in my very next video. Until then, high tide and good vibes. Bye, guys. Subscribe.